All right, let me get back into some questions here. I'm not skipping you guys. I'm just going through. I got a few great questions here, so I'm not ignoring you. I got to go through everything here. You are definitely a part of the conversation here. Let me read through some of your questions here on TikTok. Going up. Let me scroll through these. And McLaren says, quick question: are military ITs highly valued? IT, information technology, is military? Yes, yeah. To answer your question, I'm somebody who came from an IT background in the military. If I'm understanding your question right, I'm interpreting it as if you've gone through IT in the military, is it highly valued? Yes, it's very highly valued because in the military you get experience, very good experience in the military in IT, right? Depending on what department you learned in, you got a lot of hands-on experience, and the military kind of pushes you to be it pushes you to be more emotionally intelligent than most people, more resilient, more emotionally intelligent, more um, ability to work hard through adverse issues, which is you wouldn't think it's a part of IT, but it's a really important part because you're having to deal with customers in IT, and you have to deal with difficult customers, and you have to have to be able to adjust accordingly when things change rapidly. And that's something the military gives you. So yeah, it is definitely valued. Like your experience in the military as an IT professional is definitely highly valued. It's gonna it's gonna make you way more competitive than somebody who wasn't in the military because they know that you've been through a certain level of pressure that the average civilian doesn't have to ever go through, maybe in their entire life. So